It is with loss and sadness that he left the ruling party. Salus Chilima, vice president of Malawi, publicly on Wednesday denounced the corruption of President Peter Mutharika's regime, which has ruled the country for 4 years.
There comes a time in everyone's life when one has to bid farewell to personal comfort for the benefit of his compatriots. It is a decision that our forefathers made, as I've already said. It is a decision that I have made.
A member of the Progressive Democratic Party, Chilima was elected on the presidential ticket in 2014, but since then, the government of Mutharika regime has been a subject of strong criticisms. In April, thousands of people marched in several cities to protest against corruption.
I am joining my fellow Malawians across the political divide that are calling for a united transformational leadership to change the destiny of our beautiful country.
With the next presidential election scheduled for 2019, Chilima is not ruling out his candidacy.
People will ask, you were right in the system, why did you not change things? This will be yet another discussion point, as I will shortly be sharing with you all, Malawians, my plans for the future.
This statement comes at a time when Malawi is questioning the ambitions of former President Joyce Banda, who returned home in April after 4 years in exile because of accusations in a massive corruption scandal.